be out any minute now, so yeah. So, oh, you got married?
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, who's your husband? Take this one second.
It's him.
Okay, let me take this, sorry.
Okay.
What are you doing with my wife? You not mess with my wife.
Stop!
Hold on, I'm taking out. Oh God.
Stop!
He's good.
Stop!
Oh, what was I for?
You hurt him.
No, I didn't.
He's my boy. You hurt him.
Your friend?
No, my boyfriend. He's my friend as a boy.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Martin. You? Bernard.
My name's Albert.
Okay, come on.
Gotta get you to the hospital.
Oh gosh, you could lose a little weight.